Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Lana Elf to claim your daily advent calendar reward in Dress Impress game on Roblox winter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, if you want to find it, just search around the map. It can be in the dressing room or in the lobby, and you can find it on the regular server or the free play mode. And for the fourth day of the advent calendar, you can find the Lana Elf right here guys. It's on the Christmas tree, and to claim the reward you just need to tap on the Lana Elf like this, but I have already claimed my reward, and you will get all of these rewards, and if you complete 15 days that will be a special reward for you guys. Okay, don't forget to claim your daily reward of the advent calendar event in Dress and Press winter update. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the Lana Elf in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!